Welcome to the List Building Challenge. My name is Veena Prashant. So good to see you here. Thank you for joining me today. Now, email is still the single biggest revenue driver online. It's definitely the biggest money maker in my online business. I run a successful 7-figure business, and it would have not been possible if I was not continually building and growing my email list, providing value, building connection, and building a relationship of trust with the people on my list. Now, everything that I'll be sharing in this challenge, everything that you're going to learn in this challenge is all based on what you should be doing in today's world. It's not based on what strategies used to work in the past. Leave the past behind, because the same old strategies that used to work in the past that people continue to teach even now, it's not going to work because people are more distracted than ever. That's a fact, right? People have more options than ever before. If you want people to stop the scroll and pay attention to whatever it is that you have to say, your message, your content, you got to do things differently. In this challenge, I'm not just going to share high-level strategies like a lot of people do, because I know that you'll be thinking, I know the strategy, but where I get stuck is implementation. I don't know how to implement it. I don't know where to place this stuff. I don't know what to say. So I'm going to attack the whole list building thing from multiple angles. I'm going to cover the whole thing end to end, meaning I'm going to share the strategy. I'm going to show you real world examples of how people are doing it. Then I'm going to take you behind the scenes to show you step by step how you can do the same. In fact, I cannot even imagine working on a paid product if I don't have an email list, because who am I going to offer it to, right? Who am I going to sell it to? So you definitely need to work on your email list. No matter the size of your list, you always need to think of strategies to build and grow your email list. You can ask any successful marketer, they have thousands of people on their list, but they continue to add new lead magnets. They continue to come up with new ways to add people to their list, because the success of your online business is directly related to the health and the quality of people that you have on your email list. So as I always say, when you have a minute, add a lead magnet. So in this list building challenge, I'm going to show you how easy it is to add different types of freebies, also called as lead magnets. And I'm going to show you step by step how you can create a lead magnet, how you can offer it from your website, right? And how you can get more and more people to convert, how you can increase your conversions, how you can increase your engagement. I'm going to show you so many examples of different types of lead magnets. What I want you to do is I want you to create at least 5 different lead magnets and offer it from your site, ideally from your membership site. But even if you don't have a membership site, I want you to create multiple lead magnets. The top of your funnel needs to be as wide as possible. If you want to grow your business, you need to put in a lot of effort into growing your email list. I'm going to show you easy ways to grow your list with high quality leads. All right, that's the goal of this challenge. Obviously, all of your lead magnets have to be connected to whatever is your main product, main offer. But the more lead magnets you have, you never know what message is going to resonate with who. So I'm talking about lead magnets. What really is a lead magnet? A lead magnet is a marketing term for a free product or service that you give away for the contact details, such as email, name of the person who is signing up. Now, email marketing continues to be unmatched when it comes to the return of investment it drives. For example, take a look at this recent stats. For every dollar you spend on email marketing, the average expected return is $42. Compare this to the return of investment on other channels. It doesn't matter what other channel you use, it's not going to match email marketing ROI. Prospects on your email list are key to the success of your marketing campaigns. And easy to track stats such as open rates, click rates, conversion rates gives you all the information that you need in terms of what's working, what's not, and what's need to be tweaked. Remember 3 main rules when it comes to list building. Number 1, never get complacent when it comes to list building. As I always say, when you have a minute, add a lead magnet. And when you complete this list building challenge, you will understand that it's really not that hard to add a lead magnet. You can add a lead magnet that's really helpful and valuable to your users in 3 to 5 days maximum. And rule number 2, do not stop with one lead magnet and get busy with your paid offers, right? Every paid product you have, you need to have 5 different lead magnets to attract people and funnel them to your paid product. So do not stop with one lead magnet, add multiple lead magnets. And again, I'm going to show you as part of this challenge how you can easily add multiple lead magnets, and I'll give you different ideas, and I'll also show you step by step how you can implement it. And rule number 3, if you don't yet have a quiz on your homepage, add one. And the reason I'm saying this is because it's the day and age of interactive content. The more interactive your content is, the higher the engagement, the higher the conversions. It's really as simple as that. People are not going to read through a whole bunch of text to understand what your product does, what your service does, and if it's the right fit for them. If you really want to stop the scroll and get them to pay attention to your content, your product, you got to use interactive content. Don't worry about what type of interactive content to add, what type of quiz you should be adding, what questions you should be asking, because that's my job. I'm going to be showing you exactly what to do in this list building challenge. Do not skip any lessons, all right? Because every single lesson is designed to help you build and grow your email list fast. Do not skip lessons. Watch the video and take the time to implement it. Every day I'm going to be releasing one lesson. And it's up to you. If you need more time to complete the lesson, take your time. No rush, right? The whole point is not to rush through the content. If it means that you need more time, take the time. You're going to have access to the challenge content in your dashboard, in the members area. So when you log in, you will be able to access it whenever you want. You will have lifetime access to the content. So don't worry about, rushing through the whole challenge. Take your time. But to get the most out of this challenge, make sure to watch the challenge, implement it, move on to next day's challenge, don't skip lessons, and complete the entire challenge. I can't wait to see you what kind of results you get after you implement what you learn, all the strategies and all the step-by-step, everything that I have shared in this entire challenge. I have put in so much work, and I can't wait to see the kind of results you get after you implement it. All right, so stay in touch. Let me know how it goes. And if you have any questions, I'm here to help. Thank you so much for your trust. I will not let you down. I hope to see you back here soon for the next lesson. Have a great day. Bye for now.